Hello guys, welcome back to Code Studio. I'm Balkrishna and today's video we are diving into fascinating world of data visualization with pandas in Python. Visualization is a key to uncovering trends and patterns in your data. Whether you're a data analyst or an aspiring data scientist, mastering these skills is essential. By end of this video, you will learn how to create a line plots, area plots, bar plots, histogram, scatter plots, and box plots using pandas. Plus, I'll also show you how to add titles, labels, and grid lines to make your plots presentation ready. So let's get started. This is what we will cover in today's video. The first of all, we'll see how to create different types of plots using pandas, like a line, area, bar, histogram, scatter, and box plots. And also we'll see how to enhance your plots with titles, access labels, and grid lines. Whether you are visualizing financial trends, survey results, or scientific data, these techniques will help you tell your data story effectively. Okay. Now let's jump into Jupyter Notebook and run some commands. To create a plots using Panda, we need to import these two libraries. First one is Pandas and the second one is Matplotlib. So let us execute these two libraries. Now let us create a one sample data frame. So here is the code. So this is our data frame. On this data frame, we'll try to plot like line, bar, area plots, etc. So let us see. Now let us create a line plot. So here is the syntax for that. Pandas makes plotting super easy by integrating seamlessly with Matplotlib. You can call dot plot function directly on a data frame or series to create a quick and insightful visualization. Okay, here is the arguments for a dot function. These two commands for providing axis labels, and this is for grid lines. So let us run this command and see. Now you can see the line plot. So these are perfect for showing a trends over the time. Notice how we have added the labels, titles, and grid lines for this using these commands. Now let us see how to create a bar and area plots. So we can use a similar the plot function, and by just changing the argument called kind, the value will be either bar or area, and we can create a bar and area plots. So let us see how to create those. So here is the syntax. So now you can see just I have changed the arguments. Bar plots are great for comparing categories, while area plot shows the magnitude of data across different categories. Okay, and you can also see there is a additional arguments called alpha. We can use this to customize the transparency in the area plot. Now let us see how to create histogram and scatter plots. So here is the syntax for histogram. So based on the random numbers, I'll try to create a histogram. So let us run this. So see this. Similarly, we can also plot the scatter plot. So here is the syntax. So we just change the argument. So likewise, we can create a scatter plots on the data frame. So basically, histograms are used to visualize the distribution of data, while the scatter plots are ideal for showing the relationships between two variables. Okay, and scatter plots works well when analyzing the correlations. Now let us see the final plot, that is a box plot. So here is the syntax for that. So basically box plots are used to visualize the spread and detect the outliers in your data. So you can see these outliers. So this plot shows the median quartiles and the potential outliers in the data. Now let's polish our visualizations with titles, access labels and grid lines. Okay, so here is the command. So I'm just trying to plot line type, and this is the way to create a title, and these are the commands to create a x and y axis labels, and this one is for a grid lines. So let us run and see the plot. So like this we can create a plots and can add titles and axis labels. So simple additions like these make your plot looks professional and ready for presentation. Now let's quickly recap what we have learned till now. So line plots are great for trends over time. Bar and area plots help visualize category-wise comparison. Histogram shows the data distribution, whereas the scatter plots reveals the relationship. Box plots are ideal for identifying the outliers. And titles, access labels, and grid lines makes your plots clear and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Code Studio for more coding insights. Let me know in the comment section what topic you would like me to cover next. Until next time, happy coding. Thank you.